Hey guys, it's Grunt, and today I'm going to be showing you a short and simple way to make a delicious little smoothie with just some really basic ingredients. For the core of your recipe, you're going to want an apple. It doesn't really matter what kind you want. I just kind of went with whatever looked the best. As well as some yogurt of any kind. I picked out some vanilla, not bad. Milk, kind of something to like add in there that's not quite water. I've got a cup of mixed nuts here. I probably won't use this whole thing, but nuts kind of adds like some texture to it as well. And in the back I've got a few different seasonings here, being cinnamon sugar, some ground cumin, ground allspice, ground nutmeg, some ground cloves, apple pie spice, and pumpkin pie spice. We won't use all of them, but I'll go ahead and let you guys know as we're making it which ones I'm using for this apple pie smoothie, apple smoothie, whatever you prefer to call it. So first I'm gonna go ahead, peel this bad boy. Alrighty, so now that I've got him peeled here, he ain't exactly like a perfect peel, but the rest of that being on there, it ain't gonna kill you. I also would recommend ice. I just didn't have any ice at the time of this, so it just makes it a little colder, and it's just a little nicer touch to your smoothie. So I'll just kind of put some of these in there. I'll add some of this silk almond, and then we'll probably get like a scoop or two of this yogurt here. And then I'm just gonna put some cinnamon sugar in there. I like to go a little extra. I do like my cinnamon. Put a little bit of the cumin. A little bit of apple pie spice. A little bit of that ground clove. And some nutmeg. Alrighty, let's get to blending. And there you have it. There's the shake. It looks fantastic, delicious, nice brown creamy. And now we'll give it a try. Perfect.